Good evening, Greenwood area. These are your current conditions for Tuesday, June the 27th. Sunset at 8:45. The temperature is 86. Feel like 89. The winds are out the west at 9 miles per hour. Air quality is moderate. The UV ray is 2. The humidity is 59%, dew point 46. Tonight's forecast is going to be clear skies. The low is going to be around 65. The wind is going to be out of northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thank y'all all for watching. This has been your Blackmon Forecast. Have a good evening and a safe night.